Israel's newest surveillance aircraft. A unique product of cooperation between the Mayfat, the Israel Aerospace Industries, and the IDF. This $1 billion spy plane, Oran, has played a vital strategic role for Israel since the October 7 attack. From supporting Israel's attacks in real time to providing early warnings, Oran has proved its capabilities amid the raging conflict. This special spy plane is so impressive that its developer, the Ministry of Defense Directorate of Defense Research and Development, is set to be awarded with Israel Defense Prize. What makes this aircraft so special? Oran was converted from a US-made executive jet platform, the Gulfstream G550, and it was retrofitted with exceptional capabilities, including radars, cameras, and listening capabilities. While it was challenging to build Oran, because it was carried out in just a few days during a war, the latest surveillance aircraft proved its mettle by achieving objectives with real-time focus control and intelligence. It also played a major part in warning Israel during Iranian missile and drone attacks starting in April last year. The advantage of the system is that it is versatile. During a mission, we know how to be on several fronts, start in Gaza, continue in Lebanon, and even further away. We are able to carry out several missions, provide an independent strategic intelligence picture, and enable the required missions. Oran is relevant to all fronts, Mayfat system head told Jerusalem Post. According to estimates, $1 billion was invested in the plane Israel. This makes Oran's cost staggering, even more than the Israel Air Force's $80 million fifth-generation F-35 fighter jet. It can reach 40,000 feet in just 25 minutes. With a cruising speed of about 900 kilometers per hour, Oran can stay in the air for 10 hours in any weather. This enables the aircraft to operate on all fronts from Iran through Yemen to Gaza. Oran's capabilities in such a short span have sparked buzz worldwide. This is Israel's third mission aircraft after Shavit and Itam. What makes Oran special is that it combines the capabilities of the Itam, Shavit, as well as image and air-to-ground radars. Oran also has a fundamental advantage in its standoff capability, so it does not need to be very close to the target. While drones have emerged as major players in recent conflicts, used in a range of missions, from attacks, explosions to images, depending on them for long-range surveillance is not yet an option due to challenges in the integration of technologies, according to experts. That is why US's internationally recognized aircraft AWACS continues to be operational. However, Oran proves to be more cost-effective in comparison to AWACS, as the latter is based on Boeing 707. At present, Oran is proving to be boon for IDF, helping it gain a strategic edge.